What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, back at another Nike outlet. Let's go. Tanger's outlet on the outskirts of Pittsburgh, Washington. Start here. Line of people outside.
$1,000 you gotta spend if you're waiting this early.
3 minutes early.
4
3
digits.
minutes early. They said except for items in 00, you don't get that extra 20% off. That's interesting. Okay. But back wall do get that extra 20 and then 20. So it's gonna be interesting. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, they don't have a refurbished section. I was hoping for one. But alright, we'll find stuff. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna have to check this out. Jordan Post Slides. Which ones they talking about? Oh yeah, I definitely was not looking forward to this one. Nah, we're good, we're good. Those are called the Jordan Post Slides, I guess. Wannabe Crocs. Then Jordan Hydro 6s. I'm gonna have to think about these. Because these are comfy, man. Jordan Hydro 6s, we've seen these a ton of times. And yeah, these are pretty comfortable. I do have the black ones at home. I can keep them, I can give them to my pops. We'll see. 25 bucks. But 25 plus 20% off plus 20% off. So it's probably what, like 13 bucks, 14 bucks. Yo, these are size 8. But to be able to get these for 20 and 20 off, damn, dude, that is fire. So $1.20. That's what, $72. Wow. And then 20 and 20 off of these as well. And that's off of 170. Some solid discounts. Size 8.5, size 9. We got 9.5s. No 10 or 10.5. So dang it. I would have thought about that at that price. Holy cow. That would drop these down to 110. I would still have to think about that for that price. Wow. All right, back to the 10, 10.5s. I think we saw these at 100. One of the other spots out, size 11, $1.50. USA colorway? I don't think I've ever seen these. Pegasus 40s. These just came out. I got a USA colorway too. Oh, that's the UN's women's team though. But still not too bad. Would match the jersey that I have, $1.40. Jumpman 2020s, going for $95. Seen these a million times. Air Force Ones, $70. So drop it to 40 something dollars. Holy cow, mid 40s I think. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Oh, look at these LeBrons, 140 and then another 20 plus 20 off. The colorway is just awful in my opinion. Yeah, there's a ton of padding all around. All around in the front. The forefoot is a little narrow, so I could do an 11. Actually on these I would have to do an 11. So size up on these, but damn, I just don't like this colorway. I'm not feeling this colorway, dude. But it is a 140 and then you get another 20% plus 20% off. That is such a steal. Yeah, the colorway, I'm not digging the colorway though. That would bring that to $90. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen that. I did check the Nike app in the in-store mode to see if they have any size 10, 10.5. No, 9.5 is the biggest one they got. Ton of Hydro 6s, the one that I grabbed. Got all of those going for 25, size 9, 10. Air Force Ones, to be able to get that for 20 and 20 off, that's solid. More size 9s, Blazer lows go for 70. I only got these up to size 8. That is probably the steal of the day, 70 something bucks. 8.5, these are going for 130. So well under 100 bucks. Zoom Freak 3s, $40. $40 and you get the extra discounts. Moving up in size, these, we just saw one of these at Burlington. I think it's cheaper here with the extra 20 and 20 off. Black with gum right there, $1.10. Size 12, got these. 100 bucks for these. 12.5, got the next gen version right here, $1.60. Big Feet Gang size 13 if y'all want these, $1.50. $60 for the Witness. Multiple colorways. Zoom GT Cut 2s, $1.30. Size 14, it's going for retail. What's up with that? Guess you get the discounts. 14s get pretty much the exact same selection as the 13s. 15s, got one of these. They're marked down to $1.20. That's pretty freaking dope. especially with extra discounts. I think these are 16. Yep, $1.10. Then some Dub 0, $1.30 for those. Does this happen to you guys? I spent $200 at the last Nike outlet visit, and I totally forgot to use my card. Totally forgot to use my card. I'm so dumb. All right, taking a look at the aisles. We got a bunch of generic Jordans. Yeah, like multiple aisles of generic Jordans. Guess we technically have generic. Are those generic? Generic LeBrons too. Do got some Pegasus 39s. 3 different colorways. 38s right here, I guess. Do got Metcons, 3 different colorways. The free Metcon 4s. And then a lot of generics. Yeah, not just in the Jordan section, but just a lot of generics with the Windflow 9s, Windflow 8s, downshifters, that type of stuff. Pegasus Trail 3s, a couple of them for those of you guys that like to hike. Infinity Runway Flyknit 3s, pretty much what I'm wearing all weekend. Comfy as hell. Not as comfy as the ZoomX, but pretty legit. And I found these that match all my Lakers apparel for hella cheap. I got these for like $33 or something. And then do got my Lakers apparel on, Lakers Mitchell and Ness short that I grabbed for hella cheap. I can't believe I forgot a football jersey when I went to Canton, man. I'm so mad at myself. All right, they got a few more interesting to show you guys in the aisles. They got Air Force Ones. Got some suede bad boys right here. Green and white. Got some white mid B grades. Wheat mids. And then got these 2017s that are just way too expensive. All right, let's see what's up with apparel. We do get that extra 20 off. And then clearance apparel, you get that extra 20 off. Got a couple racks. Let's look around. Red Jumpman shorts. These are fleece. Yeah, they're too thin. I'm good. Some khaki looking olive pants. Down to $20? Holy crap, $20. And then you get that extra 20 off. It's probably like $16.50 or something. Got tapered sweats right here, Jumpman logo on top, $35. Does have elastic on the bottom. Some Nike fleece shorts right here, all gray, $35. Those are an XL. These do not look big. Jumpman ones, $25. Are these snowboarding pants? What are these? These totally look like snowboarding pants. They're definitely not 40 on the waist. It's 40 by 30. That's funny. They put 2 numbers. That's actually genius. I don't know the price, so price tag fell off. Never mind, user error. So it's Nike Golf, $70. That feels very premium. More khaki looking pants right here. These 30 on the waist? $20. $20. They're just getting rid of those. They're loose fit, so I don't know, not my style. 30 on the waist definitely doesn't work for me either. Checking out the top section right here. Jumpman t-shirt, $17.99. Do got some Zoom Freak, going for $60 in free jackets. The Sharks, we've been seeing a lot of Shark stuff. $45 for this hoodie. Nike Dry Fit Large Tall, going for $60. Nike Trail, $25 for that dry fit shirt. What color is this? What color is it? $65 for this. Got like flowers. Got a few of these in a few different sizes. $30 for these. Looking for apparel steals, graphic tees, 2 for $35, and then you get that 20 on top. These belts, I think these are belts, $35. Oh, I guess it's like this one right here. Okay. Pittsburgh Steelers apparel right here. These are going for retail though, $85. Pretty dope, pretty dope. All right, I guess they do have a 7 here too. They're asking for $210 though, and that's a size 6. So is that grade school? What the hell? This does not look like a size 6. Maybe that's just that's probably just the wrong what's it called, wrong code thing for that. All right. Yeah, that's probably a size 10, dude. This is a 9.5. You got a few mids right here. That's the Zion 2s. Guess I got a few of these, not too many. Oh snap, how did I miss this? Dang, dude, I'm glad I did a second run. Okay, they do got these here. Do got them. I still got the up-tempos, Air More up-tempos, and the 2 mids. How did I miss this entire aisle? What the hell? And got the Zions going for $95. Blazers going for way too much. Price going down. These are the Jumbo Blazers. These are the Pro Clubs. Is that because this thing is on the side right here? All right. Checking the women's section. Dude got these bad boys. Jordan 2 lows. I think these are one of the Jordan 2s I just wasn't a huge fan of. I know they try to simplify it, but even the material, I don't know. Just seems kind of whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Just not the biggest fan. At least you get the extra discounts with this one. Size 10, 8.5 men's. Checking the more common sizes. Size 8.5 women's. These shadows don't look too bad. Air Force One shadows. $130. Need to run where I find it. 3s going for $85. $120 for the Air Max 90s. Dunks getting a discount at $110 now. And $40 for these Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. We've seen these for hella cheap lately. That colorway. $90 for these. Did I already show you guys these? Force One Premiums going for $130. All right, checking the aisles. Not too much heat in the women's. I think in the aisle and in the clearance section, a lot of generic stuff. It's at an outlet mall, so you know that kind of happens. Air Force One platforms. Got a couple of those. Pegasus 38s, black and white. Oh, okay, man, there's a bunch of these. I'm not gonna go through all of them. Didn't we see a couple of these in the clearance section? Air Max 2017s. Got it in black with that 3M on the Nike swoosh. Dude got some Jordan black cements with the gold on it. Some satin Jordan 1. Are these comforts? Okay. Got a lot of satin on it. Ooh, that outside leather is tumbled right there. We got some mids. Max 97s and 270. That's pretty much about it. Free Metcon 4s right here. Then everything else just generic. Do got these in the grade school section right here. That's about it. But it's right before going back to school season, so probably not going to see too many discounts. 55 to 35. That's actually not bad, but that backpack's way too small. Kind of do like that one right here for my kiddo. 85 down to 40. Seeing how wide these are, if you can fit some decent water bottles in here. Does have a good amount of room. Does seem like the zipper is heavy duty. The zipper is plastic. No, is it plastic? Yeah, it's plastic though. I think most zippers are plastic nowadays though. Strap's pretty decent. $60. Would get an extra 20% off. That brings that to what, $48. I don't know if those side pockets work for me. Got these Air backpacks. We've been seeing these. These are kind of smaller. $35. We don't even see any air on them. Got a lot of just regular generic ones, kind of whatever. $60 for these? Really? I'm wondering if I should buy these slides. These slides would be hella cheap. Would come out to what, $16? But I have a bunch of slides, and I have over 10 pair of slides at home. I probably have like 15 pair of slides. Do I need another one? I'm gonna show restraint. I've already bought too much stuff during this trip. Then bought stuff in Florida as well. So, all right, I'm gonna show restraint. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty decent outlet. You know, if you're in the area, it's not like there's a ton of outlets here. So, you know, you're kind of stuck with these two. Not too bad. I kind of prefer that one up north. It is way further though. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. That's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys help away. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Got a ton of videos up there. Click on one of these bad boys. Got a ton. Hopefully you guys are out and about. Hopefully you guys are watching my videos. Hopefully you guys are out and about and finding deals too. But yeah, see you guys next one. Got plenty coming.